Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to find if a directory exists or not in Python. Okay, first open a Python terminal. For checking the directory exists or not, for that we have to import the module os. Import os. Okay, and the syntax for checking the directory exists or not is that os.path.isdir. Okay, this is the syntax for checking that the directory exists or not in Python. Okay, and this is the path for that directory. Here I am going to check a directory named Python in the current working directory. Okay, for that I am going to get the path for the current working directory. Okay, os.getCwd. Okay, this is my current working directory. In this directory I am going to check that is there is a directory named Python exists or not. Okay, os.path.isdir. Here I am going to give this path slash the name of the directory we want to search. Okay, I am going to execute true. It means in this path there is a directory named Python. If I am going to rename false name, give the false name and I am going to execute. Wow, it gives the reply false. It means there is no directory named pyt. Okay, so using this syntax os.path.isdir, we can check the directory is exists or not in the current working directory. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.